All right, so today we're going to be talking about planetary boundaries. What is a planetary boundary? So as you can see here from this graphic, we have kind of green, yellow, and red areas and what they represent. So let's talk about that a little bit more. In this green area, it's below the boundary, which is a safe zone. This is our planetary resources are doing okay if they're in that green zone. As you can see, we're going to talk about ocean acidification, and that's kind of moving up towards that yellow. And what that yellow is, it's a zone of uncertainty. We're not really sure. We can't predict as well what patterns are going to be happening in our environment. And then once you get into this red zone, you're beyond the zone of uncertainty. So that's really when we have no idea. We can't predict accurately what's going to be happening with things such as biosphere integrity and biogeochemical flows.
Ocean acidification occurs when carbon dioxide is absorbed by ocean water, which greatly reduces the pH levels. Calcium carbonate minerals make up skeletons and shells of several oceanic species. Because of oceanic acidification, many of the minerals that are present within these shells and skeletons are not present, which in turn affects habitual behavior and ability of these animals. Significant future projections predict that oceans will become more and more acidic. Surprisingly, photosynthetic algae and different types of seagrass will benefit from higher CO2 levels. However, since shelled species are being harmed by the rising acidification level, the whole food chain will be affected since shelled organisms not only feed many species of fish, but also clean areas such as coral reef. The rising CO2 affects humans who work in the fishing markets because pertaining to shelled organisms, entire oyster systems are failing, costing fishermen an upwards of $100 million annually.
The Chesapeake Bay Foundation offers citizens to fund and support local ecosystems that have a global difference. Donating money to this organization can go a long way. One way to contribute is to directly become a member or even volunteer to fight the ongoing issues